Guys, welcome to ID Networking. How to fix a breakpoint has been reached. Error code 0x800003 and 3 in Windows 10 and 11. How to fix, guys? I suggest you. So guys, firstly click to start Windows button. Type CMD. And right click to run as administrator. Type sfc space slash scan now and then enter. This process will do around 10 to 15 minutes because all files will corrupted, so automatically repair will be complete 100% and then show second step. Okay, so please wait 10 to 15 minutes. I minimize it and I giving you second step so you look it. So second step is it. Then guys, second step it is the Windows R CMD. No, we want to run as administrator. So type CMD, right click to run as administrator. Yes. Guys, you type CHK DSK space C column space no space slash R and then enter. And yes, so guys, you look at here, the value is reached. Value will check it as next time the system restart. So this command is a repair when you restart and then showing some repair automatically. Okay, so then you restart and then check problem. 100% solve your problem. If any show other problems, so you comment me, I will make a video and give fastly. Okay, bye bye, take care.